Hello everyone, my name is Saray Lagos Perez. I am from Ayacucho, Peru. I study accounting at Continental University. My family produces specialty coffee and I work as a coffee cooker. Right now I live in the home of Puno. I work tasting and buying specialty coffee from local producers. I am a curious and passionate person. I really love coffee because it is a part of my life and my culture. My father passed away in 2021, but he taught me everything about coffee. He worked very hard and inspired me to continue this path. My mother helps with the coffee production, and she is a very kind woman. I had a little dog named Milo, but he passed away last year. I still remember him with love. Now, let me tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning and prepare breakfast. At 8 o'clock, I start preparing coffee samples for cooking. 2 days a week, I go to the fields to check the humidity and collect samples from the producer. At 12, I make lunch and then continue roasting coffee for the next day's cupping. After 7 in the evening, I have my classes virtual. I usually finish around 11 and then go to bed. I have a cell phone and a laptop for my studies and my work. They are very important to me. I like visiting specialty coffee shops and tasting coffee from different regions. I also enjoy harvesting coffee and doing everything related to coffee production. I like traveling and taking many photos. I almost never go to nightclubs and I always spend New Year's with my family in Ayacucho. To finish, a can-sized coffee is not only my hobby, it's my passion and part of who I am. Thank you for listening to my presentation.